Hello everyone. So I am Mansi. I'm from the Department of CSCAI from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. So today's topic is the principles set out in Business Charter for Sustainable Production. It is one of the topic in environmental protection management. So let's begin with this video. So in this video, I'll cover the topics of what is a business charter, why is sustainable production important, and what are the principles that are set out in a business charter for sustainable production. So let's begin with an introduction. So sustainable production is a key to achieving long-term success in any business. So by upholding the principles of the business charter, companies can ensure that they are operating in the way that is both profitable and environmentally responsible. So what is business charter? So business charter is a set of principles that guides companies in their effort to achieve sustainable production. This principles includes reducing waste and using renewable resources and minimizing implementation impacts. So, why is sustainable production important? Sustainable production is important because it helps the companies to reduce cost, minimize the risk, and build positive reputation with customers and stakeholders. So, by operating in the sustainable way, companies can help to protect the environment and promote more equitable society. So, what are the principles that are set out in business charter for sustainable production? So, first principle is resource efficiency. So, this principle emphasizes the responsible use of natural resources. Business commit to minimizing waste and maximizing the efficiency of resource utilization in their production process. So the second principle is renewable energy adoption. So companies pledge to transition towards renewable energy sources to power their operations. This includes the use of solar, wind, hydro, and other sustainable energy alternatives. So the third principle is waste reduction and recycling. So the businesses commit to reducing waste generation and implementing effective recycling programs. This principle promotes the circular economy by ensuring that materials are used and recycled whenever possible. So the fourth principle is pollution prevention. So companies undertake measures to prevent pollution and minimize emissions of harmful substance into the environment. This includes air and water pollution as well as responsibly handling hazardous waste. So next principle is product life cycle analysis. So the firms conduct their assessments for their products entire life cycle from production to their disposal. This helps in identifying opportunities for improvement in terms of environmental impacts. So next principle is supply chain sustainability. So this principle emphasizes the importance of extending sustainable practices throughout the entire supply chain. Businesses works with suppliers and partners to ensure sustainable practices are upheld at every stage of production. So next is biodiversity conservation. So companies commit to protecting and preserving biodiversity in their operational areas. This involves measures to safeguard natural habitat and ecosystem from harm or degradation. So next principle is employee welfare and well-being. So the charter promotes fair labor practices, including safe working conditions, fair wages, and opportunities for both personal and professional development. This also includes promoting biodiversity and inclusion within the workforce. So next principle is community engagement and social responsibility. So businesses actively engage with local communities and contribute positively to the society. This can involve supporting locals initiatives, providing employment opportunities. And the last principle would be transparency and accountability. So companies commit to being transparent about their sustainable efforts. This includes disclosing relevant information about their environment and social principles performance, as well as settling measurable targets and reporting their progress. So we'll conclude this video with the conclusion. In conclusion, sustainable production is essential for companies that want to achieve long-term success while also promoting social and environmentally responsibility. By upholding the principle of the business charter and following best practices, companies can position themselves for sustainable future. Thank you. Hope you have a great day.